Yo.
the same. It's always do this, do that, everything they want
Yo.
to. I don't wanna live that way. Every chance they get, they're always pushing me away. It's never enough, no, it's never enough, no matter what I say. It's never enough, no, it's never enough. I'll never be what you want me to be.
All right, guys. Wait outside the park. Everybody up. One. Who's all running? Who's all running?
It's all
Back.
so messed up and no one ever listens. Everyone's deranged. I'm just so dumb and I'm never gonna change. Wanna lay it all to waste. They're always say this, say that, nothing that you want to. I don't wanna live that way. Every chance they get, they're always shoving me aside. It's never enough, no, it's never enough, no matter what I say. It's never enough, no, it's never enough. I'll never be what you want me to be. I'm done.
He's right by where I had to shoot before.
In the end, we're all just chalk lines on the concrete, drawn only to be washed away. For the time that I've been given, I am what I am.
I'd rather hate you for everything you are than ever love you for something you are not. I'd rather you hate me for everything I am than have you love me for something that I can. It's never enough, it's never enough, no matter what I say. It's never enough, no, it's never enough, no matter who I try to be. It's never enough, no, it's never enough, no matter how I try to take. It's never enough, never, never enough. I'll never be what you want me to be.
Camera's on, guys. You guys know him out?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're good.
Yep. You guys ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. We're going.
Hey, West! West!
What's up, man?
Feeling the love.
We could have used you last round. So I got Joe here from Bad Influence, the Bad Influence safety nut, and we got Jared, the Death Watch safety nut. How do you guys feel about people taking their barrel sleeves off?
Oh my God! Why are they taking the barrels off?
I want to hit them with. Did you see me rolling over those logs? Did you see that breach and clear? People were like jumping on each other.
You can't stop moving. It's like push. Don't stop.
There's so many contours on the road today.
Hey guys.
I kind of want to do that, but I don't want to put my gun at someone's face.
Today went really well. Everybody had a great time.
What else? What else you gotta say?
We got a ton of people, and Paul Whitman is a little girl because he didn't show up.
Oh, I'm gonna love to hear that. Okay.